2022, is that what I said? Yeah. Today, of course, not a killer. About a workout. We are here, not in the field because there's stuff going on out there, so I could not go out there today. Plus, it's late. It's like 11 o'clock. It's hot. Probably the worst time of the day to work out. But, you know, if they say, get some sweat on. I don't know what they say. I'll just say that. Anyway, what do we got today? We got the med ball. We got a 40. I don't know what the fuck this is, a 40? Yeah. We're going to work with the 40 pounder today. We're going to do some slams, some overhead launches. We're going to do some twists, of course. Do some med ball tosses, which is like flip. We're going to do some flip, flip shoulders, some thrusters, med ball launches where we're just like, you know. And of course, some different ab stuff. So let's get it done. We got to get it going on because it's whacking off today. A lot of stuff going on today. So what are you going to do? Anyway, it's Wednesday. Let's start it up. First thing we got is side to side hops. So we're here. We're just going to start right in the middle. We're just going to side to side and make it work. Just to get a little cardio going. Get your body moving because you're going to be bending over and picking up that heavy ball. Obviously, you can go heavier. That's a 40. I got a 60. I got an 80. Oh, yeah. Maybe, you know, I'll get 100, but nah, I don't know about the 100. That's going to be insane. Boom, side to side. Med ball slams. So we're picking this fucker up, and we're slamming. So as soon as we start, we're just going up, slam. Then I'll bust the concrete here. Pick it up, up, slam. Pick it up. Try to catch it. Off the bounce. Make sure you use your legs. Up. 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 There you go. That's what I like. Overhead, underhand tosses. So we're here. Pick it up. We're going underhand, overhead. Hopefully I don't hit the house. So like this. Boom. That's one. Try to get at least two. And then to the other. Don't throw in the pool. Have it set. One more, come on. Don't give it up yet. Woo. That's kind of heavy. Okay, med ball core twist. We did twist yesterday with the you know, that thing. What's it called? Kettlebell. Today, it's a 40-pound med ball. Just go side to side. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, fuck. That shit is heavy. Woo. Lunge jumps. Boy, that takes a couple seconds right there. Lunge jumps on. Just like this. We'll call it jumping lunges, even though we're not really lunging all the way. We're close enough. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's almost the end of this month. Med ball toss. Okay, remember this one is where we just do straight toss over your head like this. Like this. And we just squat it up. Pop. Squat and pop. Pop. Squat and pop. Big push here too. I want to see big thrust up in here. Boom, like that. Med ball, squat, thruster. So this is similar, but we're not launching the ball. We're squatting. You'll see. So pick it up right here. So we're here. Squat and then thrust. Thrust. One more. That's it. Like it. Now we're not using the med ball, and we're doing some heel taps. So heel taps is where we bring your feet, bring your heels, lift up hard, lift up as high as you can, get their shoulders off the mat. I can't talk. My fucking abs are killing me from yesterday. From Pilates, actually. Yeah, Pilates. Abs and Pilates. Let me tell you, it's no joke. In case you're wondering, saying Pilates is not for me, it's for you. Straight leg hops right here. So keep it straight, keep everything tight. Don't let you jiggle, jiggle, or wiggle, wiggle. You know what I'm saying? But it's going to. That's just the way it is. That's part of life. Everything jiggles and wiggles. Med ball shoulder toss. Shoulder. Yeah. So we're here. Watch this. So we're here. Pick it up over the shoulder. Left side. Pick it up over the shoulder. Right. Pick it up over the shoulder. Left. Over the shoulder. Right. Over the shoulder. Left. And one more. Over the shoulder. Right. Med ball launch. Okay. So we're going to start close to the wall here, close to you. Pick it up. Get down. Launch it. That's it. Get down. Launch it. Turn around. Squat. Launch. Run. Squat. Launch. Woo. Full body crunch. Last thing on the list. So we're here. Okay, so here. You see me? Legs up. Oh shit, I fell back. That was quick. Bring it in. Lean back as far as you can without falling. It's brutal. Oh, I just feel like falling in the pool. Anyway, that is your one round out of 3. That means how many you got left? Yes, that would be 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. I'm so glad you figured that out. Anyway, like, subscribe, share, comment, turn those notifications on. Nearly grinding wheel on a Wednesday, hump, bitty, dumpity day. Still feeling like shit. I got such, I'll tell you what, I just need a scalpel and just trim like this much off of everything right here, and it would be like Adonis. Oh, that's what you'd see. Anyway, ain't gonna happen. So, Nearly Grinding Wheel saying, peace out.